Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA. ADA has really gone nowhere since the Saturday low on the 13th of April, and it's just moving sideways at the moment. It's now all about the bull's ability to break above resistance. I think we are fairly close to a low. Maybe a low has already occurred. Very open to the idea that we could start to the upside from here. We are now fairly deep in support. And we have seen Bitcoin fulfill the minimum requirement to the downside to complete the correction. So rallies from here are possible, require, however, a break above resistance. Okay, so we could say that possibly this low was in. I can justify the completion. So if I count that instead of an ABC as a WXY, the low could be in wave 2. Okay, I just want to mention that again because just because I have another low highlighted here on the chart doesn't mean the market needs to give it to us. It's always, with trading, a question of reward and risk. And here we have now dipped into a larger support zone in this current scenario. A third wave rally should send us way higher, above $1. And we can even calculate targets from here just for a third wave rally. I'm always careful about that because as long as we don't have a confirmed low in place, I don't want to make people too excited because altcoins require special handling. Okay. But yeah, $2 minimum for the next wave up if a third wave starts from here. And we have these 5 waves up in wave 1. We have so far a 3-wave pullback into the support zone. The overall bullish thesis remains valid for ADA so long as the 29-cent level is holding. A break below that increases the odds for new bear market lows. And then this rally here was either a wave 4 with a wave 5 to the downside or a B wave rally with a C wave to the downside into maybe even down to 10-15 cents. Yeah. The price obviously finished here the bear market so far at least at around about 22 cents. One more low cannot be ruled out if we break below 29 cents. That's not currently expected, but of course always a possibility, especially when we're dealing with volatile altcoins. The move here since the 13th looks a bit like a triangle pattern. It's difficult to say what it exactly is going to be. Could be that this C wave to the downside is a diagonal, or we're forming a triangle. So it's possible this fourth is a triangle, okay, but it would require a little bit more, talking about this fourth, that would require a little bit more evidence, or this C wave is an ending diagonal in which an A wave of wave 3 already finished. So it would be like that. Ending diagonals are extremely painful, but they often happen in the last wave. Well, they always do, because that's why it's called ending diagonal, because they're ending something. Okay, so it would be this ABC in wave 3, then there would be an ABC in wave 5. But I can tell you that if we break above 47, let's say 48 cents, that will already invalidate this microstructure. Followed, if we get a follow-up break above 50 cents, that would increase probabilities that a low is already in. And if we then see a break above 51.6 cents, followed by a break above 62.3, each of these levels increases probabilities that a low has formed. Well, yeah, then things are starting to look really good that the move to the $2 range has started. If there is another low, the next support level is at 36 cents. And I prefer one more low as long as we stay below 51.6 cents. A break above that level will make me say, okay, the low is already in. But we're already in an area where that can happen now, right? Where this turnaround can happen. Bitcoin already on the move today, so it's starting to look interesting. So yeah, that's my update about ADA. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.